Welcome to AskJunior's timeline product demo. Here, we are going to look into how to use AskJunior's timeline and get the best results out of it. When you open the website under timeline.askjunior.ai, you get the opening page where you see AI powered legal timeline in minutes. And if you scroll down a little, you see two quick buttons on booking a demo or try now for free. Here, we'll click into try now for free and see how timeline works. Before that, I'll just give a quick glimpse on how the website works. Here you can see a quick demo video which has been updated, and if you click on it, you'll get a 1 minute demo quickly to start using it right away. Further, if you come down a little, you can see all the features of Ask Junior's timeline, and further there is information regarding how Ask Junior doesn't use your data to train the AI models. And further, if you scroll down, other interesting questions which rise when with regard to Ask Junior's timelines have been addressed. And further, there is details about contact information and privacy policies. And quickly, if you want to check it out, you can also click on the drop down menu on top of it. Now I'm going to click on sign on for free. It sets you into the timeline opening page where you can see you can create a new timeline, and all the previous timelines which you have created will come down here. And you can also change from dark mode to light mode if you want to, or dark mode to light mode to light mode to dark mode again. In the left end, we can see the billings, settings, and help features available and your account information. And now I'm going to create a new timeline. I'll enter the case name as case 1, and I'll give area of law as civil law. You can give whatever the case name it is and also the area of law which you're dealing with. So you can see your data is secure and will not be used for model training. It can be removed at any time upon request or upon job is complete. So that's also clearly given. Now we have given the details. Now I'm clicking on next. You can see to upload the files, we get a pop-up. Now I'm clicking here, and then an upload tab will open up. Now I'm going to select the files I want to add into the timeline. So yeah, here we have the files which we require. You can see these are getting loaded up. You can also delete them when you require to. If you add any false or like wrong websites, files which you don't want it to be added, you can delete it right away. Once all of them are uploaded, we can move to the next step. Yeah, so it's ready. Now you can see the total pages are 1983. I'll just click next. Now you get a review tab, and you can see all the files which was uploaded, the case name, area of law. Before moving further, you can see also it cost you some amount, but right now it's free. I'll submit it for now. You can see it's getting loaded. Once the job is done, you'll get an email regarding it. But now, as I've already uploaded the same files previously, I'll just show you how the email will be when you receive it. So this is the email you will get once the files are ready. So you'll receive an email that your timeline is ready from Ask Junior, and it will give you two options: one to view a timeline directly on the interactive platform, or to download the chronology of all the relevant dates, events, and proceedings. That is the table format, which you can further edit it through Word document. First, I'll click on View Timeline, and then I'll also download the chronology through Word. So here we can see how the timeline will be look like in the website. You can see the year, most probably the date in some files, most of them, and then the title of the event, and then what is the brief idea about the event. And then you can see which document has the detail regarding it and the page number. You can also click on the page number and it will show you from which exact page what content it took the detail from. I can close the PDF. I can also see it in full screen, switch to dark mode, see it in zoom, and also open file and download it, also print it directly. So I'll close it for now, and I'll scroll through a little more. Now I want to directly see details regarding black money. So I'll search as black money, and it is going to show me all the relevant events which are relevant to black money. Cool, right? So now I'll remove this. Now let's say I want all events of particular document which I uploaded, not all the documents, let's say from the judgment order. So now it is going to show me all the details only from the judgment. Sometimes it also has the exact timing. It's pretty cool. It gives you the exact summary of the event and also the all the page number which was relevant, which has the exact detail of why it is being shown in the chronology. You can also see you can download it from here, which will download the exact content of what you have shortlisted. That is also a feature you have received over here. You know that file has been downloaded already. We just open it up. And once the file is open, you can see that the title is there, and then the AskJunior logo is there, and then author who created it, and the date of creation, then all the source documents which we uploaded. Further, it gives you a brief summary of what the timeline is about, and then further we start with the timeline chronology, which has serial number, the date, the events, the source documents, which exactly gives you all the relevant information which you require. Further, let's say you want to remove one or two of the in between timeline chronology which you think it's like not relevant to me or like unwanted. You can just simply click on the remove option, which will remove that particular event registered from the timeline, so that you can create a timeline which gives you the proper chronology which is customized to your requirements. So this is it about timeline from Ask Junior. You can try it out at timeline.askjunior.ai and make your legal practice even more smoother. Thank you so much.